back.
Oh, little. What was it?
What was it?
A key fuck.
Ice cream truck.
A key fuck.
Truck.
A key fuck.
Truck.
They got wheels.
Wheels. Does it have ice cream?
Yeah.
What is it?
A key fuck.
No. What is it?
A key.
Ice cream.
I came with it.
Where was he?
On the road.
When?
Oh, I think fuck. Cause all the cake.
Cake or ice cream?
I keep fuck. Cause all the
Ice cream.
I keep fuck. Get all the boys I keeps.
Oh.
Okay?
What about the girls?
No.
What?
I say that I keep fuck goes the all them get all the I keep the boys.
Oh, not the girls.
Yeah.
What about Ted?
No.
Why not?
He can cook.
He
No.
can't talk,
No.
but he can eat ice cream.
By now. We're gonna catch him. Ah, fuck! He's missing.
Go.
Hello.
Go put him on your bed then.
Hello.
Ice cream truck.